Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I got this new model car and it's a Ford GT, and right now I'm going to unbox it.
Okay.
Now I'm going to unbox it. Let's get on. So this is a Ford GT.
The red one.
It's a red Ford GT. My brother, the filmer, is cutting it off with his penknife. There. Now he has a screwdriver on his penknife. Isn't that cool? Just needs to So this is how the doors open and close. Open, closed.
These doors go up, don't they?
Yeah. And this is the trunk. Normally trunks are in the back, but this one is in the front. And you can see the engine is where the trunk is. Right here. It can open. There. This is my other blue GT. It's exactly the same, but it's like a road one. This one is a racing one. That one's a road one. That's like the one that normal people would buy. This is one that like race car drivers would drive. Okay, I'm gonna go see. Hello, I also got this Lego car today, and it's a Camaro. It took me and my brother about an hour to build. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.